clicked on an LSX file and nothing happened? This is a streaming redirect file from an older era of Windows media. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Windows Media streaming shortcut files do and how to handle them today. We're tackling this LSX file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. LSX files are Windows Media Player streaming shortcut files that contain redirect URLs pointing to streaming media content on Windows Media servers. They function as launcher files that tell Windows Media Player to connect to a specific media stream, URL for audio or video playback, over a network. LSX files use plain text or XML format containing one or more media stream URLs, typically using MMS MMST or HTTP protocols. The file acts as a redirect mechanism pointing Windows Media Player to the actual streaming server address. Some LSX files include multiple fallback URLs for stream redundancy. Windows Media Player from Microsoft Corporation offers a certified solution for the LSX file type. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows displays shortcut metadata, but cannot open missing or relocated targets. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your LSX file and choose Open With. Test Windows Media Player first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If the LSX file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If your LSX file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, opening in Windows Media Player. Double-click the LSX file to launch Windows Media Player, which reads the streaming URL and attempts to connect to the media server. If the stream is still active, Windows Media Player begins buffering and playing the audio or video content. Ensure your network allows the streaming protocol specified in the file. Next, viewing the stream URL. Open the LSX file in Notepad or any text editor to reveal the contained streaming URL. Copy the URL and paste it directly into VLC Media Player using Media, then Open Network Stream. VLC supports a wider range of streaming protocols and codecs than Windows Media Player for better compatibility with older stream formats. Finally, updating broken streams. If the streaming URL in the LSX file no longer works, the original media server may be offline. Search for the content title or stream name using a web search to find updated URLs. Edit the LSX file in a text editor to replace the old URL with a current stream address, or save the new URL as an M3U playlist file instead. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.